if you are ready to listen to me with all the intensity, I'll make one word, come to inner awakening, I'll send you back as complete being. Please understand, the moment I utter the word, come to inner awakening, people have incompletion, oh, I have to spend money. It is never about money, I tell you. Never ever a single person has been deprived inner awakening because the person does not have money. No. Because the person does not have intention, he has been deprived. Even if they have billions. Never somebody is deprived because he does not have money. Make an intention, create an intention, create a decision, you will see everything aligns. I tell you, money is, after all, servant of human beings. It is not boss of human beings. If you think money is your boss, it is again imaginary incompletion, not reality. Whether you are active or not, that decides your life, not whether you have money or not. I tell you, highest wealth is being active in the life. Please understand, I have seen the extreme poverty, means living out of 5 rupees for 1 week. Just 5 rupee for 1 full week. I have lived in that utter poverty. Does not have the 4th piece of cloth, only 3 pieces. 1 towel, 1 dhoti, 1 chadar. With the 3-piece cloth, 5 rupee per week I have lived. I have seen the extreme poverty, and I have seen the so-called filthy rich people's minds. I have seen both extremes. Both extremes. With that clarity I tell you, being active is the greatest wealth. If you have that, anything you want, you will manifest in your life. Being inactive is the worst poverty. Money can never be a reason for you to miss inner awakening. If you think money is the reason you are missing inner awakening, it is an imaginary incompletion. You prove to me money is the only reason your inner awakening is not happening, I am giving it to you free. Anybody, I am making this as an open challenge forever for anybody. You establish money is the only reason you are missing the inner awakening. You answer just my 4-5 questions and establish money is the only reason you are missing inner awakening. It's free for you. It is never. It is used as a reason to deny your possibility to yourself. I am telling you. Understand, many poor fellows who are denying the greatest luxury of life, inner awakening, to themselves. For all of them, today I am opening a great challenge. If you answer my 5 questions and establish money is the only reason you are not able to make it for inner awakening, it is free for you. It is for all, forever, I am declaring. I won't ask you too many questions. Just 3-4. And establish to me, money is the only reason you are missing inner awakening. It's free for you. It is never a reason. It is our incompletion, our own mind denying our own possibility. And not only that, when you see people who have gone through the program, have re-strategized, reinvented themselves, the fear of reinventing you, fear of re-strategizing you, I tell you, the fear of Nityananda tsunami. You are afraid of that tsunami. When it comes inside, what all will it leave, what all it will take, and you don't know. As of now, shutting your door, window, glass, everything, you are safe inside. At least you feel safe inside your glass house. Everything is under your control. If you allow this tsunami inside, you don't know. It is those imaginary fears which stops you. So anybody who believes strongly, money is the only reason you are missing your inner awakening, please inbox me from today. You can inbox me in the Facebook. I'll be directly handling you. Not with a second hand, third hand. I'll be directly asking you only few questions. If you are able to convince me with that few questions that money is the only reason, it's free for you. I'm opening the doors. Actually, after running the Shuddhadvaitam program, now I am really confident and I am really clear. Money is never a reason for somebody to miss the spiritual awakening, the inner awakening. So with this clarity, I invite boldly all of you, please have inner awakening. Give a big, sudden, root break for you and realign yourself.